Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing, and today we are unboxing the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, the lighter version of the big dog Huawei Mate 10. So here you can see the box looks very different compared to the flagship Mate 10. So let's just quickly peel the plastic off. Okay, and this is of course the official retail unit, so you do have the warranty card, and it's coming with 64 GB internal memory and 4 GB RAM. It's the graphite black color. They have two more colors, the gold and blue as well, and it's costing $300, which is about 30,000 PKR, so you can grab it now from your nearest shop. We got two seals. Let me just find my knife. Okay, and another one. There we go. Let's just slide this one out like this. And here we have the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. As you can see on the front of this protector, we have all the major specs written. They're calling this phone the selfie superstar because we have two dual cameras, something that you don't even see on the bigger Mate 10, the flagship Mate 10. So this is like exclusive thing to this phone. And of course, two cameras on the back as well. Let's keep the phone on the side and take a look at the box. So we got this little mini box here, which obviously includes the silicone case as well as some paperwork. So this is actually a transparent case, so a lot of people like these type of cases because they don't want to hide the beauty of the phone, so you don't have to purchase anywhere else because Huawei is giving you right out of the box. We got another mini box, and you can see we have a SIM ejecting tool on top. Open this one up. Of course, this one includes all your charger and hand-free and the USB cables. This is the USB cable we have, and this is actually a normal USB 2.0 cable. It's not Type-C, so the bigger Huawei Mate 10 comes with Type-C, so that is a difference there. And this is the charger that we have with this phone. As you can see, all the information there. And we also have the headphones. Nothing too major going on, just normal headphones. So that's about it. Let's take a look at the star of the show, which is the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. As you can see, the plastic is off. This graphite black color actually looks a lot like a matte black phone color that we have on, let's say, on an iPhone. So as you can see on the back, we have the fingerprint scanner. So the scanner has moved to the back because the display has gone full screen. So this phone actually has a 5.9-inch full screen display. And this one actually has a Kirin 659 processor, 6 series Kirin chipset. Of course, that is for the mid-range Huawei phones. You can see on the back, we have the flash at a very different position. Normally we have it on the side or at the bottom, but this one actually has it right at the top where the antenna lines are going. Of course, we do have that good old 3.5mm headphone jack right at the bottom. On the front, we got two dual cameras, 13 plus 2 megapixel combination. We'll take a look at these cameras in a second, but let's get through the setup. As you can see, it's on. Let's enroll the fingerprint scanner. Okay. As you can see, it's picking up nicely. And we are done with the setup, so let's take a look at the UI. Of course, this is the EMUI 5.1. I think it is Nougat. Yes, it is Nougat. Seems like the bigger Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro, they are the exclusive to get the Android Oreo. So you got the older Android Nougat. Hopefully they will update this phone as well. A quick side-by-side size comparison with the Mate 10. So you can see both phones are actually coming with 5.9-inch display. This is a Quad HD display, and this is a 1080p HD plus display. So a little bit difference there in terms of the resolution. Obviously, you pay more, you get more. Despite having the same screen size, this is a bit wider display. You get gloss on the Mate 10 versus metal body on the Mate 10 Lite. Now, under the hood, Kirin 659 octa-core processor combined with 4 GB of RAM should be enough to handle day-to-day tasks as well as gaming. Obviously, I will be doing my own speed test for checking the performance, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for that. Now, let's take a look at these four cameras. So they're calling it a selfie superstar. It's like a selfie-centric phone, of course, two selfie cameras on the front. So let's talk about the back cameras first. The software looking very similar to the Huawei Mate 10. You got tons of modes and features to play with: Pro Photo, Pro Video, HDR, even slow motion video, which is something that you don't see on, mid-range phones. Now on the top, we have the main camera features. First one, of course, is the moving picture, which is like the live photo. It captures kind of emotion before you capture a photo. In the middle, we got the portrait mode. So this works best with the face detection. So we have the wide aperture mode. So the execution of this mode is very similar to the Big Mate 10. You just have to focus your object and it's going to blur the background, and at the same time you have the ability to set the blur levels, and it will show you the depth effect in real time, so then you can capture the photo. Now again, this mode depends on your creativity. Sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't. So like you can get some really nice photos if you are really good with this wide aperture mode. And again, I mean, at this price of $300, I think this is a great camera for a mid-range phone with all the features and everything. They're not dropping anything. So now let's take a look at those front cameras. So we have two cameras on the front, the main 13 megapixel sensor and a secondary 2 megapixel sensor as well. With the front camera, you get a lot of modes such as panorama, video, time lapse. Now thanks to the dual cameras, you have the front camera portrait mode. You have to enable this portrait mode icon, and after that you have the ability to turn on and off the bokeh. So if enabled, it will capture selfies like this with the background blurred in, and I'll let you decide how good the quality is. Let me know in the comment section below. As far as the battery is concerned, we have a 3,300 mAh cell, which should be enough to keep the lights on for a full day. So yeah guys, that was the unboxing and first look of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and again, let me know what videos you guys want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.